So, good morning everyone. I am Samanuddin Isumangka from BSCS 1A. Today, I want to discuss my 2D array using Java language. So first is the import java.utils.scanner. So import the scanner class from the java.utils package, which is used for user to input. And the second is public class array. So I declare the class name array which contain the main method or the name of my public class or is array. And pub- public static void main string args. So this is the main method is the entry point of the program. And the fourth is the scanner equals to new scanner system dot in. So create a scanner object name scanner to read user to input or second read the user to input. So 5. String input declares a string is a variable and input to store the user input. The 6 char pattern array equals to new char or 10 by 10. So declare a 2D character array of size 10 by 10 to store the pattern. And next is for loop. For and I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. For n g equals to 0, g less than or equal to I, g plus plus. Pattern array I and g equals to 1. So this is the nested loop to populate the pattern array with the character of 1. The outer loop I iterates through the rows 0 to 9. And the inner loop G fills up to G less than or equal to I position with 1. So next is the while true statement. While true statement begin an infinite loop that will continue until the user enters quit. System that out that print intimation input equals to scanner that next line. So system that out the print dimension this is the ask the user to input a dimension which is to 1 to 10 and reach the input as a string. Next is the if statement. If input that equals ignore case quit break. If the user enters quit, the program exits the loop. So and next is the try statement. End dimension equals to integer first end. So tries to convert the user input into an integer. If the input is not a valid integer, it will be called in the catch block. If statement. If dimension if dimension less than 1 and dimension greater than 10, system that out that friend in line, please enter a number between 1 to 10 and continue. So the dimension but so the dimension less than 1, dimension greater than 10 is 2 is the only number that you can input in program. Ensure the input is between 1 and 10. If not, prints an error message and restart the loop. If not, prints an error message and restart the loop. Next is the for statement. N I equals to 0, I less than dimension I plus plus. For n g equals to 0, g less than or equal to I, g plus plus. System that out the print pattern array. Uh, So this is the loop. So the stored pattern and print row up to dimension. And each row is row. So each row print 1 is a triangular form. Next it's cuts number format exception E. System that out the print inline invalid input. This is catch the number format exception E. System that out the friend in line invalid input enter a number between 1 and 10 or type quit to exist. Catches errors when a user enters a non-numeric values or she enters or she enters a greater less than 1 or greater than 10 and display an error message and restart the loop. So system.out.print ln program terminated. So if the user will display a message when the program ends if the user input the access and the scanner that close the scanner to prevent resource leaks. And that's all. Thank you for watching.